analytics is a very key element of decision-making support that HR organizations can provide to leadership. So in fact, it is the most important element of what HR can actually provide, because providing guidance, direction to an organization is possibly easier. When you are supporting that with hard data, analytics, trends, your ability to influence leadership in terms of, for example, if you had trends that a certain profile attracts more than others in a particular job type, and I've seen experiences like that where for a particular role, talent acquisition teams were, let's say, hiring graduate engineers for a large chunk, and you found that that kept bleeding regularly. But with a small scalable intervention, which was like a training interventions, they were able to pilot out with diploma engineers and be able to switch and increase longevity or retention. All of those pieces can be created with databases and presented back. Productivity, right? So let's start looking at productivity per se. You will find HR organizations at times don't have access to information, which is business related information. If you had an interlock of profile, the kind of organizations that you hired from, performance and productivity of a set of individuals based on their, you can actually be able to at times project to the organization that we need to bring about a key shift in the way we are hiring. I mean, if I go back many years, and at that point in time I was working for a financial services company, and in the card servicing part, we used to actually hire people out of hotel management, which means we would actually go and hire somebody who was completely trained in customer care, customer service. But you understand, we were paying a premium for whatever they had already learned in the hotel management space, and then we were making them unlearn hotel management, learn banking, right? So what were we leveraging? We were only leveraging the customer experience bit. When we shifted from there, and our cost base obviously blew, so the big transformation that came about was we sat down as HR teams with data to say, what is it that we actually want out of this guy? What is the cost premium that we are putting to the skills that we are bringing in, right? Do we need to pay a premium for a particular skill, or in lesser cost we can create that skill with a lesser profile? And we switched. Now those are things where HR and TA teams can directly start impacting revenue and profitability.